Hello and welcome. In the last decade or so, banking frauds and financial scams has become a regular affair in the Indian financial system. Occasions of asset misappropriation, money laundering, cybercrime, accounting frauds, bank advances without collateral, loan losses, etc. are increasing continuously. They not only indicate the loopholes in the financial system, but also show the level of human greed. At some point of time, common people become the target of the suspicious fraudulent activities. Banking frauds accounted for approximately 25,775 crore loss to public sector banks in 2017-18. In this age of globalization, not only in India, there are a large number of scams and frauds worldwide, which vanishes billions of dollars from investors, directly or indirectly, impacting the global economy, financial system, and lives of common people. The collapse of Lehman Brothers, fourth largest US investment bank in 2008, was followed by US subprime mortgage crisis as the bank needed more mortgage to gain from investing in derivatives and then ultimately filed for bankruptcy. Cascadingly, it led to global financial crisis, loss of faith in other banks, and deep recession in many countries. The improved technology, internet usage, and digitalization has made life easier for everyone with everything just a click away, be it online shopping, ordering food, or making payments, etc. However, digitalization has opened the doors for large numbers of frauds such as data breaches, identity theft, online scams, email or charity scams. According to the Norton Cybersecurity Insights report, cybercrime of USD 19.4 billion impacted 143 million Americans in 2017. Universities, health insurance companies, retailers, any company or institutions that collect data of customers and those who are connected through internet are exposed to get attacked by hackers. Generally, it happens that you get phone, email or messages from unknown person or company. Nowadays, scammers are on telephone, at your door, in your mail inbox or online, so one always needs to remain cautious and careful. Of late, a new type of scam was found where the phone rings and if you say hello, there is no one to respond. It's a new type of robocall from automated computer system which make thousands of calls and generate list of humans to target for theft. Recently, an email was marketed that DMart is giving free 2500 rupees shopping voucher to celebrate its 17th anniversary. Click here to get yours. It's a phishing scam. That is, either the scammer is trying to install malware on your computer or gather personal information if you click the link and fulfill your personal details. Financial scams and frauds can happen at any time with anyone at anywhere. Massive scams and frauds are out of our control to identify. Let us discuss a few tips to avoid or reduce your exposure to financial scams. A. Don't respond instantly to a phone call, letter or email. If you receive email congratulating that you have won the lottery, to avail the lottery benefit, first you have to pay taxes and other charges. Please note that nobody can win lottery they did not enter. Avoid calls asking for charity and donation for victims as it may target to steal your credit card information. Don't download software from pop-up windows or don't click on any hyperlink as it may target to gain your personal information to access your bank account. Install antivirus software and update it periodically. Always strengthen your password and make it tough to crack. Frequently change your passwords to protect your bank account and other sensitive information. Do not wire your money, credit or debit card to a stranger or someone who claims to be a friend or relative. Do online transactions from safe and reputed websites. Don't give your financial information to an individual or business you don't know. Sometimes, scammers' calls claim to be from government agency asking your personal information as it requires to be updated. Whenever you use credit or debit card, beware that it can be cloned to obtain financial advantage or use your balance. Further, never let your card out of your sight while making payment. Also retail in your billing statements safely and sign the card in ink the moment you receive it. To avoid check frauds, don't sign the blank check before completing all details, including the amount. Keep checkbook in a safe place and better to use net banking rather than checkbooks. Let's conclude this. Banking frauds and financial scams are trending both on and offline, questioning the goodness of our financial system. In order to get rid of these scams and frauds, effective and severe checks, internal control mechanism, security and transparency is required at each and every level of an organization, be it private or public. However, by following the above guidelines, you can save yourself from becoming the victim of the common financial scams and frauds. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you.